Hi everyone, this is I Love episode 2. So let's start. In Iraq, health is a legacy passed down to the generation. It's a lifestyle that blends the ancient cradle of medicine with modern habit for body and mind. In Iraq, diet is built on superfood. Date, pomegranate, and olive oil are daily staple, but the real secret is Nigella sativa, or a black seed used for millennia. It's often mixed with honey to boost immune system. For common element, Iraq turn to pantry nomiplasma or dry lime tea for digestion and cumin for gut health. And physical health also has deep root in Shikane or House of Strength. This ancient practice combine wrestling, heavy wooden club swinging, and rhythmic chanting to build both physical and power and mental discipline. It's a total body workout that treats exercise as a spiritual duty. Whether through botanical remedies or traditional strength training, Iraq approach to wellness is simple. Use what the earth provides and keep the spirit as strong as the body. And here is 1 minute already, and goodbye everyone.